Hi, it's Melanie here from Penney and Associates, and today I'm with Dylan Whitsett. And how are you today, Dylan?
Hey, doing great, Melanie. How are you?
I'm great. And you're in the new office, and it's looking really good.
We are, yeah, putting some stuff up on the walls, so excuse the renovations, but
Yeah,
it's coming together.
it looks awesome. You got good lighting
Definitely good lighting.
on that. All right. Well, the question of the day is, how important is it for clients to not feel judged by their attorneys?
Oh, yeah, I think that's very important. We're dealing with sensitive situations typically, and having a trusting relationship with your attorney is definitely important. And you certainly don't want to feel judged. You didn't hire a lawyer to have that going on. In my particular field, personal injury, you run into that situation a little bit, especially when you first meet with the clients. Um, More often than not, people, they contact us and they say, I don't want to come off as greedy or trying to get more than I'm owed. So I think there's this predisposition for clients to think that they're wrong in asking for money. So they may feel that somebody or their attorney would judge them for trying to make a buck off of a car accident or something like that. And I have to give the explanation that this is the system we have, and this is how it's set up. The law can't take away this experience or this injury that you experienced due to the negligence of somebody else. But what we can do is we can try to compensate you with money. And it's not a perfect system, but it's the system that's in place, and you have every right to make a claim when you're injured from the fault of somebody else. I mean, you didn't ask to be in that situation. You're going through real pain, real suffering, real disruption of lifestyle, and all of that, can be at least attempted to be compensated for via an insurance policy or a claim.
Yeah,
So,
and,
yeah.
and you guys aren't trained in psychology, and these are like deeply emotionally difficult experiences. And then it's hard to be injured and then figure out how that relates to money. But it's also like, yeah, is it weird for people to kind of open up to you like that?
It is, and then another aspect of whether or not you may feel judged in the situation, and kind of what you're talking about here is with some of these injuries that they're suffering, we call them invisible injuries, where they're injuries in the spine. You're having back pain every morning, but there's no visible bruising, there's no cuts, there's no surgical scar. So it's really hard to communicate that and show that injury. And sometimes it feels like for the clients that everybody's trying to tell them that they're not injured, or maybe they're exaggerating or something. So it's important as well to know that your attorney is going to trust you, and we have experience. We have enough experience with injuries like this that we know that it's not always the big bruising that is the worst injury. Sometimes it's something that you can't see, in the neck or the back that causes you daily pain. So we've got to have a relationship with the client where they feel like they can explain that to us without feeling like we're just going to pile on, with the people who are saying you're not really that injured because we don't see a bruise.
Yeah, but that's really interesting. All right. Well, thank you for that then today,
Yeah,
Dylan.
you're welcome.
All right. Well, have a good day.
You too.
Okay. Bye-bye.